You're on with the note.
Are you okay?
I'm so sorry.
I'm so
This is Cams Don't Lie. We bring the truth to you up close and personal through police officer body cam footage. From exciting car chases and road rage outbursts to disturbing and chilling discoveries, nothing gets you closer to the scene than the camera placed right on the police officer's uniform. Keep your eyes peeled and stay frosty as we take you on an awe-inspiring adventure where cams don't lie.
What do you got in there? What do you got in there, man? What do you got in there? What do you got in there? Oh!
On July 25, 2023, a police officer put his reflexes to the test when he pulled over a woman on a highway. In the end, shots were fired. On a rainy afternoon in Westminster, Colorado, a police officer approached a Jeep parking on the road, facing the wrong direction. The body cam footage shows him approaching the vehicle to ask the driver about the situation.
Okay. Just how long you been here?
The officer asks the driver as to why she is parked on an invalid parking spot. However, she refuses to answer the officer's question, escalating the situation. She seems unresponsive to him and doesn't say a word while he keeps repeating the same question over and over.
Wrong lane. Are you okay? Are you okay, man? Tell me what's going on. Why are you in the wrong lane? What's going on? Tell me what's going on.
As the rain pours over the officer's head, the driver still hasn't responded to his questions, making him question her state of mind and her capability to drive. Things are starting to get tense, and the moment could go wrong at any time. The body cam footage shows the woman refusing to make eye contact with the officer, keeping her eyes down. Could she be looking at her phone? Or could it be something else?
What's going on?
Can you tell me why you're in the wrong lane?
I don't know what I got here. I got a female that won't answer any questions. I think I'm in our turn. Have you been drinking or anything? It doesn't look like you've been drinking. Can you tell me what's going on now, please? Are you okay? Do you need an ambulance? Are you all right? Okay.
The officer asked him whether she'd been driving under the influence because while she didn't appear to be drunk, her hesitancy and anxious behavior convinced the officer otherwise. Raising the tension, the woman reaches for something in her vehicle. The officer, noticing this, asked her what she was going for. Realizing it could be something dangerous, he attempted to hold the woman's arm. Failing to do so, he immediately backed up and pulled out his sidearm.
25, shots fired, shots fired. Don't move.
Shots fired. All units, code 9 channel 1. Responding units, Sam 25.
Are you there? What do you got there? Oh!
What do you think of the video so far? Could the woman really be holding a dangerous weapon? Let us know your answers by leaving us what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends, hitting the subscribe button, and ringing the notification bell to keep yourself updated on more police body cam footage content.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
She wouldn't talk to me. She just...
Shots were fired, and not all of them were on target. A nearby civilian vehicle was hit in the windshield by the police officer. The officer broke down, apologizing to the driver of the vehicle.
Do you need an ambulance? What do you need? And she reached into the center console and I saw this gun. She reached for it, pointed it right at me. I was so worried I was going to shoot downrange at you. Oh my God. Jess.
As sirens were blaring and backup was on its way, the police officer, in shock, explained the situation to the passengers of the Jeep that was hit during the shooting.
Put one right through her window.
Okay.
She's okay.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm going to secure this gun. I'm going to give her my work phone so she can make some
1025,
phone
we have
calls.
two
She's
or
sticking
that,
around. Good? Yeah.
After the tension had gone down and additional police officers had arrived, fortunately, it was made clear that no one from the civilian Jeep was hit by any stray bullets. Luckily, only the windshield was broken. However, as for the situation of the woman pulled over, you're about to find out.
No response from her. People downrange. Okay!
80 mark.
Are you okay?
As seen previously in the police officer's body cam footage, the woman was unresponsive to the officer's question and reached for something in her vehicle. The officer, already tense from her behavior, took it for the worst and assumed it was a gun. He responded to this by firing shots of his own.
This is my best buddy, Mark. Are you okay? Are you okay? Look, the steering wheel. It's her birthday. Oh, okay. It's America. I don't think so.
The police officer, knowing the high civilian presence on the highway, tried to stop the woman from reaching into her console before she could do anything. However, failing to do this, shots were fired.
Yeah, I'm trying to do all that, man. Give me a minute.
You grab the gun, I got her. Just get that out of here.
In the resulting shooting, the driver of the vehicle received shots from the police officer. His report verified that the woman was actually reaching for a gun in her vehicle. As to why she would do this, we will never know for sure. Unfortunately, the driver died as a result of the gunfight.
All right, I'm securing this, man.
Copy. We have in Corvette en route as well.
I'm securing this in my car.
Further investigation is required to know the reasons behind this tragedy.
I've got the gun in my car, Sarge. You want me to, Mark, to take the gun with us? Her gun. Leave it in my car?
You were covered by
God bless America, Jeff. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Stay right here. Here's my phone, okay?
This has been Cams Don't Lie, bringing you the truth up close and personal. To keep yourself updated on the scene, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Cams Don't Lie, reporting out.
Go off. Off.